Hey, it's Dude, and it's the first snowstorm of the season. You can come storm with us too. One of those days, crew. The first snow or winter storm of 2025 is coming. Storm watch 2025. That's probably not going to be eventful at all. Probably just going to be a bunch of this. The storm has been pretty crazy here and there, looking at the radar and what's going to happen, what's not going to happen, this and that and that and that. Right now we're at Walmart. Let's come get some stuff at Walmart. Jason had a great point. I'll tell you when we get inside. I got some cucumber. Sorry, perfect shot, huh? Got some cucumber because I wanted some cucumber, lemon, salt. Mostly going to make some more picadillo. I know I haven't told you what Jason brought up. There he is. Green bell pepper. Yeah. Gracias, Jason. So I actually really liked Great Value, Walmart brand, their stuff. Should we try it says whipped cheesecake or the chocolate cream pie. I'll ask Jason right now when he comes. But here's the great point that Jason brought up. If we have a crazy blizzard snowstorm, what do? We should be prepared, right? We are not prepared at all.
Like at all.
At all. And I thought to myself, yeah, you're right. We're not really doing that right now. You know, maybe we should, but yeah, Jason was just like, hey, maybe we should be more prepared with this blizzard stuff. And he's right. So we're kind of doing that. We're getting a little extra here and there in case anything. This Gouda be good. Gouda? Gouda be good? Did I say that right? I don't know if I said that right. No snow yet, but I saw in the daily it said it was supposed to snow already. This is dumb. I said I wouldn't do it. But I don't want a burger, I don't want a sandwich, I don't want Taco Bell.
Isn't there another kind of Chipotle place right here?
Yeah, but I don't even want to drive right there. We're literally right there. Just gotta drive right here.
He caved.
I don't have to deal with the traffic and all that.
Yeah, he caved.
I wasn't gonna show you because I said I wouldn't. I said I wouldn't, and I wasn't gonna show you. So that no one has to know, right? It's up to me. It's up to me if people know what I do or not. So I don't have to record it. But then I'm lying to you, crew. I'm lying to all of you, and I don't do that. I don't lie to you, so that's why. I'm being honest with you. Yeah, I'm doing it. Normally go for Coke. When you see that Piv Extra, gotta go for it. Yep, extra. Look where we made it to, Davi. Albanese. Let's get some bears. Here they are. The gummy bears. Oh, I guess Jason's still locked out. Jason got peach rings. No snow yet. Said it's supposed to be right now. For a few hours, but nothing right now. This is the best time for snow. I'm assuming this. I know nothing of said subject, but if you want snow to stick, you want snow to fall on snow, and then snow to fall on snow. So the snowfall that's coming should stick longer, and then in a week, or Friday, Saturday, it's supposed to snow again. With temperatures not going above 29 or 30. It's finally snowing. It was supposed to snow way earlier. A whole lot harder. A lot longer. It's cold. Ooh. I'm actually shivering. Ooh. Oh wow. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. It's getting crazy now. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's like blizzarding now. Another snowy morning. Something walked across here. Not sure what it was. A lot of snow fell in 2 hours. It's a good amount in a couple hours. Jason's in the car. I don't think you see him. And there he is. back to school. I'm not sure when I mentioned this, but doing this is pretty crazy now. Taking off snow off the windshield is the norm, you know? That sort of thing. It's pretty crazy. And see? It's a lot of snow. Well, at least the road is plowed. I was just gonna say, we'll see how that goes. It's plowed. Is it icy? A little bit. Snowy, maybe a little icky intersection. Well, not too icky because we didn't slide. Oh, I'm sliding right now. This part's not too plowed. It's just
Yeah, it's got alcohol in it.
It's science.
I don't think it's gonna burn the whole thing, but I think it burns like a little bit off.
It gets like a flame, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
This is for science.
CW science.
Let's go science. Science isn't working. Hey!
You may not be able to
It's on
see
fire.
the flame.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, look at
it's
that.
burning.
It's burning.
Put your hand back.
That's crazy. Can't see it. There it goes.
Now it's
the
really burning.
Are you sure?
That's burning. That
Oh.
orange means burning.
Hmm?
Oh.
Wow. Alright, I'm at Menards now. I was sent over here to get 20 bags of concrete. Pretty sure I gotta come to the back over here to get that. And then, well, I gotta get the paper. And then I gotta get the truck back here. I think it's over here. Oh yeah. Gotta bring the truck back that way to get the stuff. Where we are is not an easy spot. The pool that we're working on. Alright. 20 bags of concrete. Davi and I... I'm out of breath. I told Davi this is the party mix salt. We got purple, blue. This is what this one looks like. And we're bringing up bags of concrete up the hill. Oh, it's bad. But the lake is just right there. Where's it at?
Not the same one.
Oh, it's not the same one. You're not cool. The other one looked like it had bombs on it. Oh no. Is he still on the ground? I missed it. Someone pushed you? Dude. Dude. What happened? So I haven't showed you. We got to go up from right there. Up here. Make sure Davi doesn't fall. Up this hill. Gravel hill. And snow. Now it's grass. My knee is hurting bad. Up around this way. That way.
Day 2.
It is 12 degrees right now. Duck and rooster, they're loving it. Yeah. This is the next day. You got it. Alright, crew, that's gonna do it for this adventure. This snowstorm adventure. There was supposed to be a lot more snow. It was supposed to be more eventful, I guess, but it really wasn't. But crew, thank you so much for hanging out. You hanging out with us on this adventure. Any other adventure is something you never ever have to do on purpose or by accident. We appreciate your time so much. You're all awesome. Thanks for crewing. Thanks for adventuring. On to the next. Hey, it's dude. I was gonna do it again. Hey, it's dude. Snow. Jason had a big. Oh, almost fell. Nope, you're gonna fall again. And then faux. A lot long. Oh yeah. But a